Hello guys, this is Shan from Everything Creative, and today I am going to show you how to solve this Pyraminix Rubik's Cube. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, now this is a pyramid cube. A pyramid cube has just three type of pieces. Here you can see this is the middle piece. This is 1, 2 and 3. These three are the middle piece. How we can observe that? It has only one color. Okay, and here at the edges this is called the edge piece, which has two colors, and these are tips which have three colors. Okay, let's move to solving this cube. As you can see, I've scrambled it totally, and now I'm going to show you how to solve this. Now in this cube we can start from any of the colors, as I am a color neutral. For the beginner's guide, I am going to start with yellow. So to solve, at first we are going to solve this whole layer, and then we are going to arrange the edge pieces, and then with one algorithm we are going to solve this whole cube. Actually we have two algorithms to perform, so let's get started. Okay, to solve the face, we need to arrange the three middle pieces like this at first. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, as you can see, I have again scrambled the cube. Now, where are the middle pieces? I found one at here, it is here, and it is here. We can start from any of the faces. So, let's start from here. As you can see, this is in the right position. Then, if I do like this, I can place this here, and now this, and this we are going to, this is actually very easy. You have to hold the cube like this two solved middle piece would be at the bottom, and this should be here. If it is oriented here, you have to do like this. Now follow this. We are going to keep it down, as you can see. Now we are going to move this whole layer this two times. 1, 2. Now flip the cube like this. You're going to see we have two solved, and another is here. So keep it up, and we have a solved middle piece. Now as we have solved the middle pieces, now let's move forward and see how to solve the edge pieces. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 edge pieces. One is here, but it is not in its right place. Others are both are here. Now what we are gonna do, first arranging the tips. As you can see, tips I have matched with the middle pieces. Now let's see. If you know how to solve a 3 by 3 cube, this would be very easy for you. Now take this middle edge piece, sorry. We have here yellow and blue, so we are going to, as you can see, this is blue, this have to go here. So we are going to place it in the, turn it opposite turn, and then turn this, keep it back and undo. As you can see, this is in the right place. Now this is yellow and green. Again we are going to take it here, yellow. Now we are going to turn again, turn the opposite layer, then undo. As you can see, this is in the right place. And at last this piece, again the same, we are going to turn like this, undo, and as you can see, we have a solved face. Okay, as we have solved the first layer, now we are going to solve the whole cube. Okay, then the next step we are going to do is this middle piece we are going to match with the respective middle pieces, as you can see, like this. Now we are going to find two different edge pieces. I mean, two edge pieces which have different colors. As you can see here, we have red and green, so we are not going to take this. Here we have blue and green, so we can take this, and this is red and blue. Let's start with this. Now this is our first algorithm which we are going to do. This is r prime l r l prime, and as you can see, this is out, so we are going to turn like this, undo, undo, undo. And now again the same, we are going to find another two unmatching edge pieces like this. We are going to take this, then the same algorithm, then undo, 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 undo. And as you can see, we have got like this. Now match those, and our last algorithm, when we are going to get like this, all edge pieces are in right slot, only this is not, I mean, in right place. We are going to apply this r u r prime u r u r prime, and our cube is solved. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Shan, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Shan, signing off. Have a nice day.